Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make a very simple dish, but it's going to help to boost the immunity of my family bodies. Yeah. So today I have some. This is probably about 1 chicken thigh and 2 chicken wings, free range chicken I'm using here. You can use any part of chicken or any types of chicken that you like. Appa just like to use free range chicken or some organic chicken in most of the cases. Okay, so here is probably about 500-600 grams of chicken here, and then I have chicken essence here, 2 bottles, some ginger slices. You can use as much as you like or as least as you like, up to you. Some goji berries soaked, yeah, and I'm just going to steam it. Very easy, yeah. If you want this dish to be a one-pot dish, you can even put at the bottom of the chicken one layer of Chinese cabbage. Then the Chinese cabbage is going to soak up the nice flavor from the chicken soup later when we steam it, yeah. Now first of all, I'm going to, after you wash the chicken, put in the chicken essence here, 1 bottle. And I'm adding some Shao Hsing wine. Of course, if you don't take alcohol, you just omit the Shao Hsing wine. No need to find replacement. And sprinkle a little bit of salt. Then my ginger slices. And put it inside the steamer, steam it for approximately 15 minutes. Take it out, we will add another bottle of chicken essence and put these goji berries on top. Then it's done. Simple, right? So get ready your steamer. And we want to carefully put inside, close it, use a medium-high heat to steam for minimum about 15 minutes. If you are putting the Chinese cabbage, probably you want to steam a bit longer, maybe 20 minutes, yeah. Okay, this is after 15 minutes. Wow. Oh, very fragrant. I hope you can smell this. Let me give a few dashes of white pepper here. Okay, then we will take this out carefully. Alright, I got some goji berries here, which is soaked. Put it on top. Goji berry water, I don't mind adding in also. It's up to you whether you want to add the second bottle or not. Actually, according to brand chicken essence, they told me before, it's actually best to add the chicken essence right before you want to serve, meaning you don't cook the chicken essence in order to get the best out of it. But to me, I'm quite okay lah. Up to you how you want to do it, okay? I think I want a little bit more chicken soup today. So I'm adding the second bottle here right now. And there you go. This will be my chicken soup for my family, all done within 15 minutes. If you like my video, do share my video out on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. A dinner can be very, very easy. Yeah. Bye-bye.